A blessed day to everyone. I am Jewess Maegan Tobias from Community Baptist Bible Church, Quezon City, representing Team Blessed. This is my entry for the category Vocal Solo, and the title of my piece is Anything That Cost Me Nothing. I cannot come before my righteous holy Lord and offer to Him worldly things I do not need and hope He's pleased. For He wants me to give a heart that's truly His, an offering of the highest price, a servant whom the Lord can use. And I will not offer anything that cost me nothing. I'll place before Him nothing less than my very best. And if I'm called to sacrifice, it will be worthy of my Christ. I will not offer anything that cost me nothing. To serve Him is my goal. How could I withhold whatever's mine has given me? It's not my own, it's His alone. Whatever He requires, it is my desire. Whatever He may need from me, I'll pay the cost, gain or loss. And I will not offer anything that cost me nothing. I'll place before Him nothing less than my very best. And if I'm called to sacrifice, it will be worthy of my Christ.